Respected Chief Guest, Thiru G. Sivakarthikeyan, Senior Actor. Respected Chairman and Managing Director, Thiru M. Dhanasekaran. Respected Vice Chairman, Thiru S. V. Sugumaran. Respected Secretary, Dr. K. Narayanaswamy. Respected Dean, Professor M. Amaranathan. Respected Dean Academic, Professor R. N. Kagne. Respected Vice Principal, Professor S. Vedrikodi. Respected V.S.K. Venkatachalapati, Director, SMEAC. Respected Dr. Malarkan, Principal, MIT. Respected Principals, our sister institutions. Respected Administrative Officer, Mr. Dakshinamurthy. Dear colleagues, staff, parents, media persons, and my dear students, a pleasant good evening to all of you. It gives me a great pleasure and pride to stand here in front of you as the Director of Sri Manakula Vinayagar Medical College and Hospital, which has established its presence in the academic field and has made a mark in delivering cost-effective patient care, and present before you the annual report for the year 2012-13 and explain to you in humility our glorious achievements in the academic year 2012 and 13. Sri Manakula Vinayagar Educational Trust was formed with the objective of imparting quality technical and medical education, especially to the weaker sections of the society. To cherish this objective and to join hands with the policy of Government of Pondicherry in enhancing medical education to meet the needs of our nation, the Trust has established Sri Manakula Vinayagar Medical College and Hospital in the year 2006. Our basic science and clinical departments are well equipped and manned by a team of well experienced and dedicated teachers. We are having 17 postgraduate courses. Other facilities includes the department libraries, which stock all the essential books for undergraduate and postgraduate teaching purposes. The Central Library has 15,406 books and 101 national and 83 international journals. In addition, we have got 1,680 online journals. Besides, there are 40 computer terminals with broadband facility for students and faculty. Entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled. The Central Animal House, manned by a specialist veterinary surgeon, caters to the needs of the animals required for the teaching and research purpose. Our hospital is an ultra-modern multi-speciality tertiary care center with medical research facility. The hospital has inpatient capacity of 800 beds, inclusive of 50 critical care beds in different specialties. The services offered here are comprehensive, covering investigation and diagnosis to therapy, surgery, and post-operative care. The inpatient services are complemented to the daycare center, outpatient facilities, and an exclusive center for health checkup for executives. CME meetings and scientific society meetings are a regular feature in our institution. 12 meetings were held during this academic year, and faculty from all the departments presented papers and discussed clinical cases. In the last year, doctors and members of the paramedical team have organized many general medical camps in different communes in Puducherry, as well as in many villages in Viluppuram and Kadalur districts in Tamil Nadu. In addition to these general camps, special child health as well as dental and eye care camps are also held in rural areas. Coming to the academic achievements of our students, in the final year MBBS Part 2 examination conducted at Pondicherry University during December 2011, our students bagged most of the top 10 ranks in all 4 subjects, namely general medicine, general surgery, OBG, and pediatrics. Out of 10 gold medals, we won 5 gold medals. Our academic achievements in the university examination conducted in December 2012, in general medicine, the university's 2nd and 6th were obtained by our student. Mr. Gopalakrishnan got 2nd rank. In addition, we got 8 distinction in general medicine and 90% pass. In general surgery, we got all the top 10 university ranks. Mr. Vaidiswaran got 1st rank, Mr. Gopalakrishnan got 2nd rank, and Ms. Sivaranjani got 3rd rank. We got 9 distinctions and 95% pass. In obstetric and gynecology, the university 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 9th were obtained by our students. The university 3rd by Ms. Archana C. In addition, we got 4 distinctions and 90% pass. In pediatrics, the university ranks 1st, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 8th, and 9th were obtained by our students. Mr. Balamurugan T got the 1st rank, Mr. Gopalakrishnan E got the 2nd rank. We got 16 distinctions and 93% pass. In this batch, Mr. Gopalakrishnan got college 1st rank, Mr. Balamurugan got college second rank, and Mr. Anbarasan got third rank. In community medicine, the university's second, third, fifth, seventh, eighth, and ninth ranks were obtained by our students. Ms. Jayashree got second rank, and Ms. Kirtiraj got third rank. In addition, we also got 36 distinctions in community medicine and a pass percentage of 100%. In ophthalmology, we secured all top 10 university ranks except fourth rank, and Mr. Andal Priyanka obtained the first rank. Mr. Magesh B got the second rank. Ms. Gunashree obtained third rank. We got 23 distinction and 95% pass. In ENT, the university first, third, fourth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth rank were obtained by our students. Ms. Maharani secured the first rank. Ms. Anu Josh Marcos got the third rank. In addition, we got 5 distinctions and 94% pass. In this batch, Ms. Andal Priyanka got college first rank. Ms. Maharani got second rank. Ms. Jayashree got third rank. In pharmacology, we obtained university first, third, fifth, and seventh ranks. Ms. Inbarasi got the first rank, and Prashant got the third rank. We got 46 distinctions, and the pass percentage was 96. In pathology, we obtained university first, third, fourth, eighth, ninth, and 10th ranks. Ms. Inbarasi got first rank, and Subhatra B got the third rank. We got 27 distinctions, and pass percentage was 93. In microbiology, the university first, fourth, and sixth ranks we got. Ms. Subhatra B got the first rank. We got 8 distinctions, and pass percentage was 94. In forensic medicine, we obtained the first, third, fourth, fifth, eighth, ninth, and 10th rank. Ms. Ashwin Napal got the first rank, and third rank was shared by Mr. Prasad and Ms. Inbarashi. We got 44 distinctions, and the pass percentage was 100. The overall college first rank in paraclinical subjects goes to Ms. Inbarasi, second rank goes to Ms. Subhatra, and third rank to Ms. Sivapushani. In anatomy, we obtained third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th university ranks. Mr. Surya Ram GK got the university third rank. We got 87 distinctions with 87% pass. In physiology, we obtained all the top 10 university ranks. Mr. Shantakumar R obtained first rank. Mr. Surya Ram GK obtained the second rank. And Mr. Kishore S obtained third rank. We got 73 distinctions and 82% pass. In biochemistry, we obtained all the top 10 university ranks. Mr. Kishore got the first rank. Ms. Nandini S got the second rank. And Ms. Akshaya S and Nancy shared the third rank. We got 76 distinctions and 82% pass. The overall college first rank in preclinical subjects goes to Mr. Kishore, second rank goes to Ms. Surya Ram, and third rank to Ms. Rohita. Prizes won by our students. Our student, Ms. C. Bhagyalakshmi, got the 4th prize at All India Medical Basic Science Olympiad competition in 2013, conducted by Elsevier. Ms. Sumatra B and Ms. Banapriya R got the first place, and Mr. Anbarasan S and Mr. Gopalakrishnan got the third place in second state level intercollegiate quiz competition conducted by RESPQs 2013. Ms. Divyalakshmi C, Ms. Sakti Kadamma, Mr. Kishan V got the second prize in state level pharmacology quiz competition conducted by Savita Medical College, Chennai. Mr. Ramchandar and G. Hari Prasad got third prize in state level inter-medical college quiz contest on tuberculosis organized by Indira Gandhi Medical College Research Institute, Pondicherry. The following faculty of our college have published research papers in various national and international journals. Professor Amal Tangre published 5 papers. Professor Kalachelvan published 4 papers. Professor Mangairkasi published 3 papers. Dr. Sivayogappa published 2 papers. Dr. Pumalar published 2 papers. Professor T. Mangairkasi published 2 papers. Our faculty and PG students presented 37 papers in various national and international conferences. Our ongoing research projects, 47 research projects are undertaken by our postgraduate students. 6 short-term students research projects sponsored by ICMR is undertaken by our undergraduate students. Awards and honors, our Dr. Amol Dangre got first prize for oral presentation in Forum for Ethics Review Committee in India, conference at PSG Coimbatore, India. Dr. Anand Kumar was awarded Fellow of Interventional Pain Practice by World Institute of Pain. Dr. S. Yuvarajan was declared as winner of Chess Challenge 2012 International Quiz on Respiratory Medicine organized by American Thoracic Society. Dr. G. Kalaiselvan is elected as Vice Chairperson, State Task Force RNTCP, and as member Operation Research Committee, Puducherry. Professor Kalaiselvan received Famer Fellowship 2013. Our clinical lab, biochemistry lab, obtained second rank among 2,500 labs in external quality assurance program conducted by Christian Medical College, Vellore for the year 2012. The International Conferences of Healthcare and Acquired Infections we conducted on 22nd, 23rd February 2013, and then Indian Association of Medical Microbiology CME program on update on antimicrobial agents and control of resistance on 25th May 2013, organized by Department of Microbiology. CME on mycobacterial infections and antimicrobials on 3rd August 2013, organized by Department of Microbiology and Pharmacology. SIMSCON 2013, 5th South Indian Medical Students Conference was conducted on 1st September 2013 at SMEMCH Pondicherry. CME on Cell Culture and Stem Cell Technology on 7th September 2013, organized by Department of Pharmacology. CME and iCamp on Universal Eye Health for the World Sight Day on 10th October 2013. Basic course workshop on medical education technologies sponsored by Medical Council of India was conducted on 26th to 28th November 2013 at SMEMCH. CME on HIV/AIDS, Indian Scenario on Prevalence and Control Strategies on 14th December 2013 by Department of Microbiology. Workshop on Qualitative Methods in Health Research on 6th to 10th January 2014, organized by Department of Community Medicine. The forthcoming events, CME on Inborn Errors of Metabolism on 22nd of February 2014, conducted by Biochemistry Department. Workshop on Pediatrics Basic Life Support Program during February 2014. CME on Recent Advances on blood transfusion during February 2014. Indian Academy of Pediatrics Conference during February 2014. Association of Medical Biochemists of India Conference during May 2014. Our students have brought laurels to our college in sports also. Our students won the first place in badminton men, first place in football, and second place in chess in All India Inter-Medical College Tournament organized by Christian Medical College, Vellore, Pegasus 2013. Our students won the first place in badminton men in All India Inter-Medical College Tournament organized by JIPMER, Spandan 2013. Our students won the second place in volleyball men and second place in football in South India level Inter-Medical College Tournament organized by PIMS, RO 2013, in Pondicherry State Level Intermediate College Tournament conducted by Sri Lakshminarayana Institute of Medical Sciences. Our students won the first place in volleyball women, first place in cricket men, first place in badminton women, first place in chess men, second in throwball women, and also we won the second place in volleyball men. In this tournament, we got the overall championship. In Pondicherry State Level Inter-College Tournament conducted by Sri Manakulavinar Engineering College, Nexus 2013, we won the first place in basketball men. Our college conducted for the 5th time Pondicherry State Level Intermediate College Tournament and won the first place in cricket, first place in volleyball women, first place in badminton men, and first place in football men, and also won the second place in badminton women, second place in basketball men, second place in basketball women. In this tournament, we got the overall championship. Sir, I am sure we will strive hard to better our previous performance with the cooperation of our colleagues and students. Before I draw to a close, I quote the famous line by Albert Schweitzer, "Success is not the key to happiness, Happiness is key to success. If you love what you're doing, you'll be successful. Thank you.